If you want to know what I got in my Luxe box, keep on watching. Hello, my fills. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Victoria. Nice to meet you. I make videos about anything and everything. Okay, so I got my Luxe box here. I went ahead and sliced this bitch open, and I am super pumped to see what I got. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So I got 8 products here. Let's start with something. I'm going to try and just go in order. Well, not in order, but where I can layer on products, start, you know, from skincare upward. So I see that I got a brush. This is the Aria Beauty Luxe Oval Detangling Brush. It is $34.99. It looks pretty nice, and it's a nice little dome oval brush here. It's all prettied up. Let's see, because my kids have a habit of taking my detangling brushes, you know, like my shower brushes, and it's pretty annoying. So my hair is still wet from my shower. I mean, it feels like, so this reduces stress on hair and extended bristles to reduce stress. So I see some hair in there, and I don't think I tugged my hair hard enough to warrant that. I mean, it's okay. So I'm gonna have to try this out maybe after a shower, or like after my hair is dry. We'll do like the Marsha Brady, I'm brushing my hair 100 times a night. Remember that shit? So there's that. Let's see. Ooh, we got some sheet masks. Okay, so this is the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. This has aloe in it. As usual, I don't have anything on my face. This is $30, and you get 4 masks in here. So while I do this mask, we'll talk about some other products in here. Yeah, the way I do it is unorthodox, but you know what? Goal here is trying to get it on your face. Ooh, that's cold. From what I briefly read, I look like what's the dude's name? Hello, Clarice. Silence of the Lambs. Freaking Dr. Hannibal Lecter. That's what I feel like I'm vibing right now with Dr. Lecter. So let me get a. So we got. Ooh! Alright, so this is called the Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. Feeling flat. Okay, it's $19.95. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin packed with caffeine. So it should. It's for the body, and I like how there's this little drawing of the butt. It kind of reminds me of like Bob's Burgers and Tina's little torque type shit. Caffeine to help with like cellulite, I'm thinking, and to tighten up the skin. So yeah, see, helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage. So I'm not going to be flashing my ass on here on YouTube because that's not how I roll. Oh, it's cute. Look, it looks like a little Starbucks mug thing. Duh, hello. Caffeine. We think of coffee. It's got a little butt on here too. I think that's cool as shit. Oh my god, and it has the plug. I bet you that's how you pour it out. Wow, this looks thick as shit. So it was kind of, I mean, it's not all the way full, you know what I mean? But you get a decent amount. Oh my god, it smells like a cow. It smells like a cappuccino, which is pretty tits amazing. All right, so let's try on my wrinkly ass hand here. God, that smells so good. I use the Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum cream, and it's salted pistachio. I can't remember, but it smells good as hell, and that smells just as good. God damn, it smells so good. So we need to give this some time. I can feel like tingling on the top of my hand. Definitely the caffeine to get like blood and everything kind of like circulating. So I'm gonna try this on the hips, ass, and thighs. Because I mean, why not? So this is the Ultimate Frizz Fighter, and it has several functions here. First off, the price, it's $34. So this seals the hair that lasts through 3 washes. Okay, it works for heat products up to 450 degrees. It helps with the frizz, you know, so it's a thermal protectant as well. It does a lot of shit. So Ren Clean Skincare. This is a brightening eye cream. So here's this bad boy here. It is $49, 95% natural origin products. So here's this bad boy here. I mean, anything brightening, right? It's just as good as the Ole Henriksen banana cream. Then, okay, now we're talking. So let's put a little bit underneath our eyes. Let's see. Oh my. So kind of be mindful of the pumps, I guess. Oh, this is nice and thick. It just smells like a really thick, luxurious cream. I would say it smells like one of Estee Lauder's creams, I want to say. So this is definitely a thick cream, which I really like. Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. This is $25. Lip plumping treatment, ultra shiny gloss. Lines are filled, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was like hyaluronic acid or something like that in here. This is definitely vegan. It's a really cool package. Oh, this is really pretty and chic. It's like a very light pink, very pale pink. Oh my. Look at that brush. It's got like a very, very barely there hint smell of fruit. Afraid. Okay. Bit my lip when I fell today at skating, and it stings a little, but it's not unbearable. It just says to apply to lips. So maximal lip with every dip, featuring the Maxi Lip, increased collagen synthesis, 351%, volume plus 40%, reduced lip folds by 29%, and improve hydration by 60%. Like I said, it's tingling. It's a lip plumper. So as this video continues, maybe you'll see lips not so wrinkly. I don't know. We have Iconic London. This is the multi-use sculpting palette. It is $49. 3 shades to highlight, conceal, and brighten. 3 shades to contour, define, and bronze. Multi-use dewy cream palette. A new launch. So of course, good old Iconic. Ooh. It's one of those cream palette things here. So you could just, I like these because like you can mix and match and not just, you know, because kind of that mixed with that, you know what I mean? So you can customize your own color and then just kind of do what you will with the palette. Let's stick our finger into this. Oh man, it's very creamy, and like I run hot anyways, and there's that product here. We'll put a little bit on the face despite of course it's meant to be a bronzer and stuff, but I thought that this would be closer to my skin tone, and you know what, it actually is. Let's do this again. Oh no, it happens. It definitely is creamy, but because I'm using one of the bronzer colors, I mean, it does look like skin if you're looking in the mirror. Let's try one of these lighter colors here. We'll try this bad boy here. We'll use a different finger. Oh my goodness. So it is the same formula. So I'm using whatever's left on my middle finger from the darker color to tone that lightness down, and that helped a lot. Holy shit, this is going to be a really awesome palette. So look at that. This is more of the highlight again. And then this was just kind of like the skin. So that's pretty freaking cool. I got Natasha Denona. This is the Cupid eyeshadow palette. It is $48. And if you've never used Natasha Denona, these formulas are out of this world. I don't know where my Urban Decay is. So we're going to use Pero Primero Primer. Just to do something to test out these colors. I love the formulas of the Natasha Denona shadows. Even their face palettes are freaking amazing. So let's use this big mofo here. We're going to look at this color. Again, something simple. There is some fallout with this matte, which is kind of strange because I don't think I experienced anything like that in my other palettes. Let's use this burgundy. Okay, and then for the lid, let us use my artist brush. Well, actually we'll do both. So we'll do this dark one for all over. And then we're gonna put this gold. We'll use our ring finger. Ah, definitely the shimmers are to die for. Look at that. Ah, that is so pretty. So that way we officially used all the colors. And then let's put some of this gold right in the center, or in the corner. Okay, so I'm going to do some brows, and then we're going to do some of the our lashes, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just did brow, and I used my Aria Beauty Big Bang mascara, which I didn't realize, and I so apologize. I didn't realize that I forgot to put it in my box review. It was underneath my box, so I went ahead and used the mascara. Let's put another coat on here. It does give you like very glossy black. It definitely does have the potential for clumping, so you have to be careful with how you apply, but it does separate the lashes pretty well. And I don't know, like, I do like the formula. It doesn't make my lashes like stick up like my Bad Gal Bang, and you know that's my OG, but it does give you some really, really dark lashes. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got in my box. Have an awesome upcoming spring. Okay, bye my fills.